fact, around about to the 4th century. It's never mentioned in holy writings. Just to the north of here, we came through Cana, where Jesus did his first miracle. Perhaps he went through there on his way to set up shop in Capernaum. A couple of times, Jesus did come to his hometown to preach, and he was not welcome. In fact, on one of the occasions, they tried to throw him off the cliffs. On top of the town, on the hillside, is where the Jewish district is, and we are standing in the lower district where the Arabs now live. And that's basically Nazareth here. The church was built on top of the ruins of where they consider to be Mary's house, where the angel Gabriel appeared to her at the Annunciation. We've had a long night of camping with the locals and their Shabbat fiesta, bringing in the Passover week of celebration. We're extremely tired, and not only that, we're very hot. We're probably right now in the peak heat of the day, pushing upwards of 35 degrees Celsius. That would be 90s, well, something Fahrenheit. And we're in Jericho. We're in the Old City. Jericho is known as the oldest city in the world. We know that around 2500 BC the city fell, and the Bible tells us that the account of the Israelites surrounding and marching around Jericho. But this is now down here 10,000 years old. The level, ground level back then. We're now at about over 800 feet below sea level. Hard to believe, especially when you see the mountains behind me, which is where we were before this, at the Mount of Temptation, where Jesus fasted for 40 days. And right here is the start of about 4 levels of civilization that we will be walking through